Hey everyone, I've got an urgent security update for all the IT professionals out there. A critical security flaw has been discovered in Commvault Command Center, widely used for backup and recovery. This vulnerability, known as CVE 2025-34028, carries a high-severity CVSS score of 9.0. Yeah, it's that serious. So what's the risk here? If this flaw is exploited, cybercriminals can execute remote code without any authentication. That means they can gain full access to your backup system, compromising sensitive data and wreaking havoc on your entire IT infrastructure. This vulnerability affects Commvault version 11.38, specifically versions 11.38.0 through 11.38.19. Fortunately, patches have been released in versions 11.38.20 and 11.38.25. But here's the catch: if you haven't already updated, your system is still at risk. Here's how the attack works. A malicious actor sends a request to the vulnerable endpoint, uploads a specially crafted zip file, and then unzips and executes a JSP file on your server. Essentially, they turn your backup solution into a launchpad for a system takeover. Now you might be thinking, why should I care about backups being targeted? Well, if attackers get control, they can erase or encrypt your recovery points, implant backdoors, steal sensitive data, or sabotage your disaster recovery efforts. And since this flaw requires no login credentials, it's a sitting duck for anyone with basic network access. But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions in West Houston has your back. We are actively helping businesses patch vulnerabilities, detect intrusion attempts, and harden backup environments. We offer a range of services to keep you protected: patch management and version auditing. We ensure you're running secure versions of Commvault and other critical software. Backup system hardening. We implement firewall rules, access controls, and external host filters to close off vulnerable endpoints. Threat simulation and exploit testing. We use vulnerability scanners and simulation tools to test your Commvault deployment for exposure, 24/7 monitoring and alerting. Our team watches for abnormal activity, including signs of SSRF attempts or unauthorized file uploads. Incident response and rollback planning. If a breach occurs, we help contain it fast, restore clean backups, and get your systems back online with minimal disruption. So if you're using Commvault or any backup solution and you're unsure of your security, now is the time to act. Impress IT Solutions offers free vulnerability assessments and fast remediation services to secure your infrastructure. Call us today for a security checkup. Stay safe out there.